Under the TfL Renewals and Enhancement Programme, Delatim have been employed as principal contractor for the HNE midlife intervention for the stair pressurisation systems. The midlife interventions are on 21 stair pressurisation systems across 18 separate sites. These sites are a mixture of stations and remote escape shafts that are situated between each station. Each pressurisation system is designed to prevent smoke from entering into the escape staircases as well as lifts. This is to enable safe passenger egress and a place of safety for London Fire Brigade to tackle a fire in that scenario. The majority of these systems were originally commissioned in and around 1999 for the Jubilee Line extension. The project scope and objectives are to upgrade all life-expired assets associated with the pressurisation systems. This includes the mechanical control panel, fans and fan motors, along with undertaking maintenance to the air supply systems. Delatim employed specialist contractor Burnell to undertake all work associated with the replacement of the life-expired components to the mechanical control panels. The scope included the replacement of the PLC and HMI, the replacement of control relays, lamps, switches, pilot devices, system sensors and probes, the replacement of transformers, PSU and MCB devices, and the replacement of changeover sections, associated controls and control contactors. A new reset function was also introduced. Delatim employed specialist contractor Browning Electric to undertake the associated works for the supply fan and motor upgrades. The scope included the replacement of the fan shaft bearings, the fan belts, bushes and pulleys, the replacement of all flexible duct connectors and the replacement of all anti-vibration mounts. The replacement of all motors for new modern day equivalents, with the exception of 3 inline motor systems that required a rewind to refurbish the existing. Once the fan is disassembled, they are taken to the Browning's workshop. The fan bearings are removed from the shaft is set in a lathe and true running checks are made. The impeller is crack tested to be assessed for wear. It is then sent in a dynamic balancing machine to confirm balancing is correct. Delatim have an in-house ventilation maintenance team with specialist equipment to undertake the maintenance of the supply air systems. This includes cleaning and lubricating the pressure relief dampers that are positioned at the top of each staircase, cleaning of all supply ductwork and all associated supply grills serving the pressurised staircases. Delatim also take pre and post PVT samples which are sent onwards to a laboratory for analysis. On completion to the midlife intervention of all assets, Delatim undertake testing and commissioning of the stair pressurisation systems. This is to ensure that the systems perform to standard as a whole. Testing and commissioning include air volume testing at the fan, balancing the system supply air at each supply grill across the staircase, air pressure differential readings between each door into the staircase and lift shafts. Door force readings are also recorded on all doors within the pressurised areas. Air velocity testing is undertaken through each door on the escape routes.